Hey guys, it's Sheree. For today's video I'm going to be doing a glitter makeup tutorial and I'm going to show you how I got this makeup look in the next video. So I hope you like it and please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. The first thing you do is apply the eyeshadow on the base of your eye before you apply the eyeshadow on your lids. Keep applying it on the base on your right eye. And do the same on the left. Keep on applying it on the base and put a crease on the eye base of your eyes. Then you apply the blush all around your face, over your face. And the next step you do is apply the blush on your cheeks, your cheekbones. Go back to applying the eyeshadow on your eyes. Put eyeshadow. And do the same on your other eye. It's very hard to see. You can't really see the glitter. Apologize if it's very hard to see. Next you put in the glow highlight. Lastly, apply the eyeliner. That concludes the end of the video. I hope you liked this glam glitter makeup tutorial. look, and if you want me to do more makeup tutorials, make sure to comment down below your suggestions, and if you want me to do more tutorials as in get ready with me videos and hair tutorials, make sure to comment them down below as well and let me know. And I'll see you guys soon, and have a great day. See you on Wednesday for a new video. Bye! And I also forgot to mention don't forget to check out my best friend's channel, Ashley Advice and Ashley Shepherd Music. I'll link it in the description box down below. And if you want me to do any other videos that you want me to upload on my channel in 2018, make sure to let me know in the comments below, and I'll be reading them and be uploading those videos for you guys soon. And I've got some exciting videos coming up this year, so I hope you enjoy, and thank you so much for the support. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!